How to download YouTube on MacBook Air or Pro. Here is a quick and easy guide to download YouTube on a MacBook Air or Pro. So the main source of downloading apps on MacBook Air or Pro is App Store. So first of all, let's check inside the App Store. Simply type down the YouTube app and hit enter and search for it. So here, as you can see, there is no YouTube version available for macOS. Now what to do? Simply tap on any web browser. I'm tapping on the Safari. And once you tap on the web browser, all you have to do is, in the search address bar, type down YouTube and search for the youtube.com. And hit enter. Now all you have to do is tap on the youtube.com URL at the top and drag it to your desktop and paste it there. Now once done so, all you have to do is tap on the plus icon at the Safari. Then in the new tab, all you have to do is search for the YouTube images. Now here, scroll down and look for the image that you would like to put on your YouTube app and save it to your desktop or anywhere you prefer as well. Just make sure that it is easily accessible. Now what you have to do is simply double tap on the URL of the YouTube you have just dropped or dragged on your desktop. Then once you do so, you will get to see Get Info option available there. Simply tap on it. Now what we have to do is drag and drop the YouTube images we just download on the Get Info option available there. Now the YouTube is one tap away. You can simply tap on the YouTube option available on a desktop and you will get to the youtube.com. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.